numerical number 3.7. Vf is equal to 20 meter per second. A is equal to 20 meter per second square. Initial velocity you have to find out. T is equal to 5 seconds. We apply first equation of motion. Vf is equal to Vi plus At. In place of Vf you will write 20. Vi plus, instead of A, acceleration 2, and instead of time you will write 5. So 20 is equal to Vi plus 2 5s are 10. Now अब 10 पॉजिटिव है, इसको इक्वल की दूसरी साइड पे लाएंगे तो नेगेटिव हो जाएगा. तो 20 minus 10 is equal to Vi. So our initial velocity is 10 meter per second. Now next numerical number 3.8. Initial velocity is 72 km per hour. Now you will change it into meter per second. 1 kilometer has 1000 meter. 72 multiply 1000, and 1 hour has 3600 seconds. So it comes 20 meter per second. Vf is 0 when the brakes are applied or the body stops. Final velocity becomes 0. S 500 mean distance, and you have to find out acceleration. So we will apply third equation of motion because in the data there is no time. Therefore we will apply third equation of motion. 2s is equal to Vf square minus Vi square. 2a multiply, instead of s you will write 500, and Vf 0 and Vi 20 square. So it comes 1000 A is equal to minus 400, and A is equal to minus 400 upon 1000. It comes minus 0.4 meter per second square. If you will write deceleration, then there is no need for negative sign. It comes 0.4 meter per second square. Now numerical number 3.9. Data Vi is equal to 0 meter per second. Vf is equal to 20 meter per second. T is equal to 5 seconds, and S you have to find out, and A you will also find out. Now for calculation of A, you will apply first equation of motion. Vf is equal to Vi plus At. 20 is equal to, instead of Vi 0, A, and T 5. So 20 is equal to 5A, and A is equal to 20 upon 4. It comes 4. Acceleration comes 4 meter per second square. Now for the calculation of distance, you will apply third equation of motion or second equation of motion. S is equal to Vit plus 1 upon 2 At square. You have to find out S. Vi 0 and multiplied by 5. T is 5 plus 1 upon 2. A is 4 and T is 5. T in square, therefore 5 square. 0 multiply 5, it comes 0, plus 2 multiply 25. 2 to the 4, it is cancelled, and now 2 multiply 25, so it comes 50 meter. The distance is 50 meter. Now numerical number 3.10. Okay, dear student, Vi is 0 meter per second, T is 5 seconds, G is 10 meter per second square, and you have to find out the H or height. These are vertical motions. Therefore instead of A, acceleration, we will write gravitational acceleration, that is constant G is equal to 10 meter per second square. Now H is equal to Vit plus 1 upon Gt square. Instead of S you will write H, and instead of A you have to write G. Now H you have to find out. Vi is 0, T is 5 plus 1 upon 2, G is 10, and T is 5 square. So 0 multiply 5 is equal to 0. Plus 2 5s are 10, it is cancelled. Now 5 multiply 25, so height is equal to 125 meter. Okay, dear student, numerical number 3.11. Data Vi is equal to 20 meter per second, G is equal to minus 10 meter per second square. It is negative because there is upward motion. If there is upward motion, vertical upward motion, then our gravitational acceleration will be minus 10 meter per second square. T you have to find out. Vf is equal to 0 meter per second. Now Vf is equal to Vi plus Gt. Instead of Vf you will write 0, Vi is equal to 20 and G minus 10 and T is multiplied. So minus 20 is equal to minus 10 T. ये 20 पॉजिटिव है, इसको हम इधर ले आएंगे इक्वल की दूसरी साइड पे, तो इसका साइन चेंज कर देंगे, तो साइन चेंज हो जाएगा, तो माइनस 20 एंड माइनस 10 टी. T is equal to minus 20 upon minus 10, so it is 2. Time is 2 seconds. Elapsed time, टाइम आने जाने का जो टाइम होता है उसको elapsed टाइम कहते हैं. अगर जाने का टाइम 2 सेकंड है तो आने का भी 2 सेकंड होगा, लिहाजा इस टाइम को हम ट्वाइस कर देंगे, 2 + 2, तो आंसर जो है आपका 4 सेकंड आएगा. नेक्स्ट, न्यूमेरिकल नंबर 3.12. Vi is equal to 20 meter per second, G is equal to minus 10, as I have told you, upward motion. H you have to find out. Vf is equal to 0 meter per second. Now you have to find the time. 2gh is equal to Vf square minus Vi square. For finding the height, we will apply third equation of motion because there is no requirement of time. So 2 into minus 10 h is equal to Vf0 minus 20 per square. So minus 20h is equal to minus 400, h is equal to minus 400 upon minus 20. So it comes 20 meter. So height is 20 meter. Now you will calculate the time by applying first equation of motion. Vf is equal to Vi plus Gt. Instead of Vf you will write 0. Instead of Vi you will write 20 plus G minus 10 and you have to calculate the time. Now 0 is equal to 20 minus 10t. Minus 20 is equal to minus 10t. ये minus 20 पॉजिटिव है, इक्वल की दूसरी साइड पे लाएंगे इसको तो ये नेगेटिव हो जाएगा, तो minus 20 is equal to minus 10t and t is equal to minus 20 upon minus 10, t is equal to 2 seconds. So time is 2 seconds. Next, the last numerical is 13.3.13. So our data is height is equal to 40 meter, initial velocity Vi is equal to 0 meter per second and G is 10 meter per second. ये Vi 0 इसलिए लेंगे कि कोई भी बॉडी जब हाइट पे होगी तो रेस्ट में होगी, so it will start from rest, therefore Vi 0. You have to calculate the time as well as final velocity, the velocity with which the body strike to the surface of the earth. Now solution, इसमें हम सेकंड इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन अप्लाई कर रहे हैं क्योंकि इससे हम t मालूम कर लेंगे. h is equal to Vit plus 1/2 gt square. Instead of height it is given 40 is equal to Vi 0 and t as well plus 1/2 multiply 10 multiply t square. So 2 5s are 10. It comes 40 is equal to 0 plus 5t square and 5t square is equal to 40, t square is equal to 40 upon 5, it comes 8. Now t square is equal to root 8 क्योंकि हम इधर इसका भी रूट लेंगे इसका भी रूट लेंगे तो t से रूट कैंसिल हो जाएगा और ये इसका रूट लेंगे तो ये 2.82 सेकेंड आ जाएगा। तो आपका टाइम जो है 2.82 सेकेंड है। अब हम फाइनल वेलोसिटी मालूम करने के लिए फर्स्ट इक्वेशन अप्लाई करेंगे। Vf इज इक्वल टू Vi प्लस GT। Vf इज इक्वल टू 0 प्लस 10 मल्टीप्लाई 2.82। ये टाइम आपने यहाँ कैलकुलेट किया था, उसी टाइम की वैल्यू हम यहाँ पर डाल देंगे। सो इट कम्स Vf इज इक्वल टू 28.2 मीटर पर सेकेंड। दिस इज योर आंसर। दीज आर ऑल न्यूमेरिकल्स ऑफ चैप्टर नंबर 3।